Hello everyone, I am Ajit. In this video, I am going to explain about a website using HTML tags using the form elements and media elements. Here we have given the mockup page for creating a title and the navigation bar and the product video and the contact details. Here I have given that so in the markup page they have given the title name for the company and for creating the four columns here, like this we have to use the navigation bar and some paragraph and the video link is creating a beside and given, and we have for this we have to use a table tag for giving the width as 50% and for giving the paragraph and another 50% for giving the video link, and the horizontal line is given. After this you have to give the table tag for these three boxes, and each table row with the, we have to give as 33%. So then we will be getting the three boxes like this, and in the second page we have to give the you have to use the form tags for giving the input values of the type, and in the first box first table we have to give the personal details, and in the after this we have to give the progress bar, and in the second table you have to give the address, and third table contact information, and in the fourth education details. After this we have to use the play submit button and reset button. After before that we have to use the progress bar as completed. Now we can go to the website. So this is I have created my website like before mockup page. I have given the title bar as TCS, and I have given the image. Here I have given the navigation bar like this, and I have given the four columns, and as industries, services and technologies, programs, products and platforms, and in the search bar I have for you creating the search here. I have used the placeholder in the input tag, and the next column next is table tag. I have used the table tag, and for the first in the table row I have given the width as 50%, and in the second table row and second width as 50%, and in the first 50% I have given the paragraph and the audio file is hidden here, and in the second 50% I have given the embed value of the YouTube link, embed link as the of the YouTube, and here is the video shown, and in the thought table we have given the table row as 33% with table row with as 33%, 33%, 33%. The three boxes as given created. I have given the height and width of the table rows, and in the first box I have given the contact details, and the second box registration details, and in the third box I have given the Google Maps. So you can go to the source of the source code, and here I have given the HTML tag as first, and header tag I have given the title, and in the body tag I have given the title image. For the first one I have given the align is equal to center for to give the image as a center, and for the image length is 300, width is 300 I have given, and in the go to the table using navigation bar we can create these four columns like industries and services and technologies, product and platform. Search here. For search here I already told you that search here for creating this bar, and we have to use a placeholder. After the navigation bar we have given another table, one TD is equal to 50%, and another TD is equal to with this 50%. I have chosen that. In the first 50% I have given the paragraph about TCS and audio controls, and in the second TD I have given the iframe using iframe tag. I have given the embed link of the YouTube about online registration for job application. Then go to the then going to the thought table. I have given the horizontal line of the before the thought table, and I have taken the width as 33% of for each TD for adjusting the contact details and the registration details and maps. In that contact details, I have given the contact name and college name and mail ID and phone number. For in the second TD, I have given the field set as a registration details. For this, we have to use the placeholder as I already told you in the navigation bar. You have to use the placeholder for a username and password, and the submit button in the input type. You have to give the and the field set should be closed. And the last thing is the maps. You have to give the image as image source. We have to give the image source and height and width. Then go to the second page. Submit your resume as a given title, and the personal details and address, contact information, education details are given. In the first table, I have given the first name and middle name, last name, date of birth, age, gender. And for creating this bar, and how to use the placeholders, and the date of birth is given. Input type is equal to date, and the progress bar is given. How to use the this bar like progress tag, and for this getting the space, we have to use the EMSP. And in the second table, we have to give the address, and in the third table the contact information, and in the fourth table education details. For this tick box, we have to give the checkbox in the type, and this has the placeholder, and this has the date, and this has the placeholder. After this, we have to give the 80% completed out of 100%. The progress bar is display here, and after this the another table is displayed. The in that we have to give attach a file or any format of the PDF document, and for this we have to give the placeholder, and I will show the code. For this we are using the file set, and see here input type is equal to file, placeholder is equal to choose file. Then it will create a choose file in the placeholder. After this we have to give the progress bar as 100% completed. After this the horizontal line is created. After a submit and reset button is created, in the code has given the input align is equal to center, type is equal to submit, placeholder is equal to submit your resume. Input type is equal to reset, placeholder is equal to reset, as center tag is closed. So